Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is complex UI. Complex UI is common in modern applications built with React, Angular, single page applications, or SPA, heavy Ajax updates. Challenges in complex UI are dynamic elements where IDs and classes changes, hidden elements and overlays, stale elements where DOM refreshes, SVG icons, shadow DOMs, and iframes, infinite scroll, or lazy loading. That's why automation in complex UI needs stable locator strategy, explicit and fluent waits, retry handling for stale elements, page object or reusable framework design. If you see the whatever we have discussed in the complex UI automation needs, we have designed a sample one. This is only for sample. In the real automation framework, when we develop further in the upcoming videos, we will see how this will be separated. As of now, in the console app, I am trying to explain how we have separated locators, how we have separated waits, how we have separated methods for handling stale elements, and also the reusable design. If you see the locators, if I change, there will be no issue if I reuse them. So this is how you should design your methods so that our test scripts will be stable. That's why complex UI requires a framework mindset in Selenium automation. So example, if you see here, I have done. So complex UI needs synchronization, not shortcuts. Stable locators plus explicit waits reduce flakiness. If tests are flaky, the framework needs improvement. If you remember in the previous videos, I was using locator, finding that element, and then storing it in iWeb element and then sending the keys. So here it is written in one line so that our methods will be executed. Suppose if I reuse this send keys method in a different way so that it will be reusable by retrying. So this is how you should design your framework. Separate the locators, write methods for your actions, then have wait separately for that particular actions.